Business owners, listen up. You're spending time, money, and effort trying to communicate with customers. But are your messages really getting through? Typos, spam filters, language barriers, and privacy concerns are killing your engagement. And worst of all, other mobile marketing apps are eating up your resources while demanding access to your private data. Enough is enough. It's time for a smarter way to connect. Introducing our AI-powered machine learning mobile communication and marketing tool that makes texting effortless, professional, and wildly effective. No more embarrassing typos, no more lost leads, no more wasted time, just smart, seamless messaging built for results. Let's talk power moves. Here's what sets our AI machine learning mobile app apart. Text a group, privately. No messy group replies. Every message stays between you and the recipient. AI-powered autocorrection. Say goodbye to typos and grammar mistakes. Your messages always look polished and professional. Saved groups and templates. No more rewriting the same text. Store them, tweak them, send them. Boom! Spam filter bypass. If you're serious about boosting engagement, increasing sales, and saving time, then our AI machine learning mobile app is your ultimate tool. Join the thousands of business owners already transforming their mobile marketing strategy. If I shared this video, visit textergram.now.site. If this was shared by another person, get back to that person and start using the most powerful AI-driven mobile marketing app today.